Hello interwebs. I'm inside a bird cage and watching exotic birds with my family. Oh, now look at this, a toucan. Here's Mama.
Titta Thomas! Ta ett kort med här då.
Akta inte biter i huvudet.
Akta dig så inte stå inte för nära.
Är jag för nära?
Nej, vänta. Där.
Here's another bird. I don't know what kind of bird it is. I think that's a turkey. And now I can't see any more birds. Or I can see a lot of birds, but nothing that special. Back in a moment.
Jag med.
More exotic birds. Flamingos and vad är det mer för fåglar?
Egrets.
Egrets,
Ibis.
ibis, sothörna, vad heter det?
Det vet jag inte vad det heter på engelska.
Sothhen. Oh, as you can see, it smells really bad here because it's shit everywhere. Pelicans, I think.
Ja, det är det som luktar, vet du. Ser du?
Let's see here. Yeah. Pretty birds. Birdie, 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 birdie.
Birdie namlam.
And Dad and Mom
Hi.
are very happy to be here. And turtles. There are turtles here as well, along with all the birds. Pretty turtles. It costs 300 pesos or $22 to come in here, and I have to say it's worth every penny or cent or pesos or kronor or whatever you want. Still worth it. So if you ever come to Playa del Carmen and have any fascination in animals, you should come here. It's gorgeous. Just look at all this. Yeah, that's the name of the place. I can't spell it though.
Xaman-Ha.
Xaman-Ha. Okay, that's it for today. So that's our little adventure, and goodbye.